MTV. Welcome to my crib.
We are cleaning a house in Halifax. They're the winner of our fall 2023 cleaning challenge. So we run this contest 2 times a year where you can follow along with us online and clean your whole entire house, and then you can win a clean for us in like 6 months. So we come to your house. So we've flown across Canada to clean this absolutely adorable house, but it's not that dirty. We're gonna do a lot of organizing. We're still gonna find the dirt, just watch. Look at the front room. It's so cute. We're gonna organize this little, they've been very creative with their storage, right? Because they don't have much storage. But this is genius. So this is her closet for her clothes. And some of his stuff, I guess. There's a little front door closet. Work from home office up here. This bathroom's cute. Go in there and check it out. Like even our shower glass isn't even that dirty. This is somebody who like follows us. I'll prove it. Watch this. Like, we didn't send her this. She's a loyal customer.
And she has a box of powdered Tide downstairs.
And a box of powdered Tide and lots of our like recommended cleaning products. Here's the bedroom. We were just nosing around trying to frig. So we have like some underbed storage here, which is very smart. We're gonna organize that. We got them some new bedding from one of our sponsors. They've got a closet there we're gonna sort out. And here's the closet. Or no, the kitchen. The kitchen. It's not a closet. And we're gonna go downstairs and investigate because we think there's this fake swimming pool in the basement. I need to look at it. Okay, let's see.
No, it's fine. Those are wooden steps.
They're wooden steps.
Okay, they are wooden steps, but what is this then?
So you guys, what is this in the basement? We ordered a whole bunch of stuff and now we're gonna unbox it because for the winter, just like things that we need to organize, little tiny drawer organizers, some of our favorite stuff. Okay, look at this. This is one of the best things that we shipped to the house. Do the reveal, Brynlin. Go for it. Whoa! A tin girl! And she gets to keep it.
Hey. How's it going? Where are you starting, in here?
Thought I tried.
Ooh, no, that looks great. Hey, Sarah.
Hi. This is like the first thing I've done. This fridge is, I just love this woman because she honestly has like you can tell she's done her homework.
Yep, she purged.
It's hard to purge if you're not here.
Yeah.
And it's hard to, we can't make decisions for people, but she's done, or else she just lives like this and is better than both you and me.
100%. Huh?
That's a wrap on Halifax, and make sure that you follow along with everything that we do online, and then you can also enter in the spring cleaning challenge, and then you can maybe get a chance to get your house cleaned by us in the fall of 2024.